Hi guys, I have an unboxing video today to share with you the October limited edition kit, and at the end of this video I will share with you the link to my first project using this kit, so you will see immediately what I did with this. Let me show you first this paper. Look how beautiful is this paper with all this watermark on the background, and look the back with the roses, so pretty. This month, look this month the kit is featuring this collection. Look the crackles, and oh, it's so beautiful. This paper is from Blue Fern Studio. It is the Bird Wolf collection that is featuring this month. Look this side, so pretty, love it. The colors, look this with all this lace on the background, and the water excuse me, the paint over the lace. Look the back side. Oh, how cute it is. Look these birds, so pretty with roses. Look this part with the lace, very nice. I have these other with a lot of paints and color. Oh, look this, like a frame to cut out. I loved all the cracker on the background of the paper. Look this with the crackers and the butterflies, so nice. Look this other with the roses and the musical notes. Look the back side. And the last one is the one with the bird. Love the yellow colors, and look the back, so pretty. Oh, I have other one. Look this. Oh, nice. It has the cards that you can cut and make cards for journal to embellish your pages. Very beautiful, this paper by Blue Fern Studio that are featuring this month in the limited edition kit. Now let me show you, let me put aside the papers because I want to show you all the beautiful products that you get in this kit. Let me show you the ephemera packaging from the Bird Wolf collection, and let me open it because I want to show you all the things that you get here. Okay, you got a lot of pieces in this package. I think it's 36 pieces. Look, oh, look the birds, and more birds, tags to make different things with them. Look, other sign, bird, bluebird keys. Look, other tag. More tags, butterflies. I noticed that this package that I opened, the white border is not centered, so the image is not centered, but I don't have any problem because I always look the dragonfly. I'm always love to cut out the white border. So the roses, other sign, more birds, butterflies, very pretty, all these images. Look how cute this bird, the blue butterfly, tags, pretty, all the pieces. And for sure I will cut all these white borders, so I don't bother about it. Let me put all these pieces inside the package again. I will do this fast because I want to show you all the things that comes in the kit this month. Let me put all these here. How also is when we open new things to see all these things. Look, this is by Julie Bean. You get this package full of tiny butterflies, the mariposas. Mariposa is butterfly in Spanish, and you have tons of these butterflies. So pretty. Let me see. Oh, you get this beautiful stencil by Vicky Boutin that is in the kit. Also, you get a stamp by Rivera. Very nice, the stamp. Let me see if you can see here. Love it. with a tiny bird in the corner. Then you get a color bloom. Very nice. You just need to fill this bottle until the top with water, until this area here, then shake it and you get the color. Then, and last but not least, 3 beautiful packages of flowers by Prima. Then you got this package of these beautiful roses. Love the colors and the 2 different tones of pink. Then you get these beautiful flowers by Prima with red, turquoise, and ivory. And these flowers, that is one of my favorites. I just love these flowers. Very pretty, the colors. And then, well, this is the kit for this month by My Creative Scrapbook. In the description box are the link to get this kit, and I will let you at the end, you will see soon the link to my first video tutorial using this kit that is already available at my YouTube channel. So click on the next link to get this kit, and I see you soon with other video tutorial. Nos vemos, bye bye.